Hey lovelies, my name is Noria and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an unboxing with a little first impression slash what's to come. So a couple weeks ago, De Alba Piedmont, they are a K-beauty brand that uses white truffle as their main ingredient. They infuse all of their skincare with it, and that's what they use for their brand. And they were nice enough to send me a complete box of goodies. So I'm just going to go through and show you guys what was sent and then give you a little bit deeper look into 4 of the products that I'm going to be using consistently for the next few weeks, so I can come back and actually give you guys a detailed review. So without further ado, let's get started. De Alba is a cruelty-free clean beauty brand that infuses white truffle into all their products. All their products are free of alcohol, paraben, mineral oils, silicones, synthetic dyes, and synthetic fragrance. So they sent me 2 versions of their sun cream, the UV Essence Waterfull SPF 50, and then a mild version, the white truffle pristine watery oil, the double layer Revitalizing Serum, the 733 Fantastic Waterfall Mask Pack, a box of the White Truffle Waterfall Sleeping Packs, a box of the White Truffle Nourishing Treatment Mask, so sheet mask, the Daily Mild Cleanse and Peeling Pads, which I was actually really excited to see. I definitely am a person who needs an abrasive exfoliator and or a strong chemical exfoliant, so yes. This is one of their ample balms, white truffle capsule cream, and I want to say this is the anti-aging one, and then the blue one is their eco moisturizing version. We have the Vital Spray Serum, First Spray Serum, Peptide No Sebum Repair Cream, Peptide No Sebum Balancing Toner, and finally the Peptide No Sebum Mild Gel Cleanser. So these last 4 products I'm going to go in a little bit deeper because they are what I'm going to be using for the next month or so to give you guys a comprehensive review. So starting off, I'm going to be talking about Peptide No Sebum Gel Cleanser. It has BHA to help remove dead skin cells and keeps your pH below 6.5. It is a gentle cleanser that helps clear out pores and to help with trouble spots. It delivers antioxidant properties for wrinkles and fine lines, and it is recommended for those who have acne to oily prone skin but also want to have that anti-aging aspect as well. Moving on, we have the Peptide No Sebum Balancing Toner. It has pearl extracts that brings back radiance and brightens the skin while providing antioxidant benefits. The white truffle extract moisturizes and stimulates cell turnover. We have the Peptide Repair Cream, which also has BHA in it. It helps keep the skin tone even, helping to prevent overproduction of melanin, so helping with hyperpigmentation. Calamine powder is an effective ingredient for anti-inflammation, skin protection, and soothing effects. Last but not least, one of the things I am excited to really try out is their White Truffle First Spray Serum. So it delivers the highest concentration of antioxidants for visible plump skin and younger looking complexion. It absorbs quickly into the skin. You could use it throughout the day as a refresher or at the end of your routine. It's good for helping to set makeup, and it's just perfect for anyone who's looking for a product that can be used for multiple steps. So first impressions, because I want to give you guys a little something else for this video. I'm just going to insert some of the footage here of when I was starting to use these products. This is my very first impression. Starting off with the cleanser, I was shocked, y'all. I was shocked. When they say gentle, they mean gentle, and I also love how easily this rinses off. I have other gel cleansers, which I do love, but it does take a little bit more work to rinse it off at the end. But this one, literally, I put on water, couple splashes, couple rubs, and it's off, and there's no leftover residue. It paired perfectly with the oil cleanser that I was using that day. Now, of course, I'm going to test it out against some of my other oils, but so far, so good. Moving on to the toner. So I found the very first time that I kept getting the first couple times actually, I kept getting that bubbles, the little tiny bubbles from friction. At first I thought it was because I applied too much on that first day, but it turns out it's just because I rubbed my hands together. So now I'm to the point where I'll just like do this once, pat, 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 pat. That way it absorbs a lot quicker and it's not just there. I will say it is very watery, very lightweight, and it does absorb quickly. So I'm finding that I have to like already have my next product on hand or do multiple layers of this. I did that the first day as well. So far so good though, so we'll see how it goes in a month. First impressions on the Repair Cream. This is too lightweight to be used at night. I find it was pretty good when I put it on, but just how it felt, it was very lightweight, absorbed quickly. It would do nothing for me overnight. That's just my first impression on it. So I'll probably just use this mainly in the mornings or make sure I put something heavier on afterwards. Moving on to the first spray serum. So you do have to shake it because it does have that oil layer. I find the nozzle to be a little I can't really tell where it's going, so I actually just spray this in my hand and then pat it on my face. So I used this at the end of that routine and it helped a lot. I definitely felt more moisturized, safe to use it, you know, overnight. The following morning though, I did realize like it's just not enough for overnight, but I used it again the next day and actually, pretty so far, I'm liking it in the mornings. I know I'm gonna have to tweak the routine a little bit at night, but this has been good. I've used it after a workout. I've used it at the end of my routine, and so far so good. So we'll see, y'all. We'll see. So obviously, I'm going to incorporate some of the other products they sent me, especially like one of the moisturizing balms. I'm definitely gonna need something thicker at night. This line is more catered to oily, acne prone skin, so I'm going to see over the next month how that helps with either hyperpigmentation or does at least, doesn't have to cure my hyperpigmentation. I don't think the ingredients here will help with that, but I want to just make sure that nothing else pops up, because unfortunately when I get one pimple, it means I'm also gonna have another acne scar. So we'll see what happens in the next month. Be on the lookout for that video, and I'll actually put it in the description box below once I have it uploaded. If you saw any other products in this video that you guys want me to do a deeper review on, let me know. I am totally open for that. Other than that, thank you D'Alba for sending me these products. I can't wait to fully test them out. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I upload new videos, and let me know in the comments down below what K-beauty brands are you eyeing right now or trying, or any of that sort of things. I'm a skincare junkie. I want to know. So until next time guys, bye.